At the Hero Factory, there are tales of a hero. A hero who, despite not doing too much during Christmas time of 2011, became such a legend among the LEGO community. A number of people have made their own MOCs based upon this character. Basically, this means that the fans want to see more of Christmas. And so, our young rookie hero, who has been around for about 3 years, is back in action, and he is going to fight one of the biggest and baddest villains he has ever faced in his entire life. Take that! Hey! Take that! Get away! Huh? Hey! Get off me! Yeah, you better run! Gee, fighting all these bad guys sure is tiring. Oh man, I wonder oh dear, another one. Ah! Yeah. Whoa, that was a big one, wasn't he? Uh-oh! Ah! Well, thank goodness that was just a hologram core hunter, otherwise I'd be doomed. You know, fighting these villains of the past sure is tiring. I wonder when I'll get to do it for real. Hey there, rookie. I see you've been training again. Hoping to try out for the Alpha Team, I bet. No, Alpha Team Leader. I don't care what team I'm recruited to. I just want to go out into the field and fight. Well, it seems that you have done quite a number of good training today. Why don't you go and take a break? All of this training can wait for another time, and pretty much soon, you're gonna be going out on the field. Thank you, Alpha Leader. Well, I guess I will go into the main room now. I'll see ya. Hey, Mass! You forgot your weapons! Huh. Kids today. Later that day, Chris Mass decided to speak to his friends, Lyman and Title Princess. They also are rookies at the Hero Factory. They've been around for quite a while, but they are wondering when they are going to be promoted to full hero status. So, you see guys, I've been training quite a lot today, but I don't know where this is going to take me. That Core Hunter simulator was almost lifelike if you ask me. Will I ever be promoted? You know, Mass, you shouldn't give up. I mean, we all train, and we all make mistakes. Lyman is right, Mass. We all make mistakes, but we just gotta keep trying and believe in ourselves. We should never give up what we are dreaming to be. And if you dream to be a hero, you should really continue working at it, no matter how hard it is. Thanks, Princess. And thank you, Lyman. I just don't know. But hey, look on the bright side. At least your holiday is going to be coming up soon. And we are going to be decorating Makuhiro City with all sorts of different decorations. You'll like that, won't you? Yeah, Christmas will be fun. In fact, your name is Christmas, so does that cheer you up? I guess it does. Thank you, Lyman. You are a good friend, and so is Title Princess. Well, I guess I could go back to training. I don't know if I will get any better at it, but if at first you don't succeed, try again. Isn't that what you guys just told me? Yeah, it is. Indeed, Christmas had arrived in Makuhiro City. All of the civilians were buying presents and parcels for their friends and family. And they were also melting the snow on the road. The heroes were singing Christmas carols to all the friends and family that lived in Makuhiro City, just as they do in any sort of city. And of course, decorations were being put up. They started off with the small things, such as the plastic snowmen, the little trains, and even a little tree. Miko, are you sure that this tree is gonna be good? I mean, look at it, it's so small. How are we gonna fit presents underneath it? Oh, Former, it's not a real Christmas tree. It's just a little pretend Christmas tree. It's a decoration. We're not actually gonna be putting presents under it. That goes under the bigger trees. Oh. The children were also making a snow hero. They had never done that before. And the Alpha team were talking about Christmas back in 2011. All about what had happened with Witch Doctor when he managed to break free of prison and tried to steal the power from the Christmas tree. So, you guys remembered what had happened? You and I, Rocka, had an interesting plan. Just like we did on the planet Quatros when we were stopping Witch Doctor before. We upgraded you to XL form, again. And you certainly knew how to put up a fight. Oh yeah, I remember that. I also am glad that I decided to eventually switch over to this new Breakout series helmet. Cause to be honest, that lion helmet was starting to get a bit heavy on my head. I'm sure I'm glad I got something lighter for it. I am certainly glad I got used to this new helmet as well. It's a lot better than my old one as a 2.0 hero. Yeah, but you know, if you were a 1.0 hero, that's the helmet that you would have had. Same for you, Rocka. Oh, and Nex too. Well, have you heard of those Invasion from Below toys that came out? Man, those were kind of a pain. Well, thank goodness that they were not canon to the original storyline. So pretty much, it's a whole different universe. Nex and Stringer were feeling a bit sad because they had been left out of Hero Factory for 2 years straight. Well, you know, Nex and I haven't been in a series since 2012. Where do you think we are during each of those series? I mean, I remember that I was being attacked by an evil brain somewhere, but thank goodness that I was freed from it thanks to you guys for rescuing me. But what about Nex? Where was he at that time? Yeah. Because of our 2-year absences, everyone in the Hero Factory community thinks that we're dead. Well, almost everybody does. Oh, do you think we really are? Stringer, you shouldn't listen to those people on the internet saying that you and Nex are dead. I mean, you're right here, aren't you? Oh, thanks, Serge. That makes me feel a lot better. Yep, and remember, there's always next year. Always. Yeah, thank you for that good advice, Serge. I guess I could keep my hopes up that I'll appear in 2015. Next too. Yeah. I mean, those Invasion from Below toys looked okay, but I'm kind of thinking that I'd like to stick with continuity here. You have a good point, Nex. And I can't believe that in the episode that they made of us, they had to use your voice for me. Yeah, I didn't like that either. I wonder what they would have made me sound like then. Well guys, I'm pretty sure that everything will be just fine. I mean, it's Christmas time, right? Nothing could stop us from having a good time this year, right? All the heroes agreed. But little did they know that trouble was just around the corner. Because a mysterious new villain was plotting his own evil scheme. So, you like to celebrate Christmas with your precious little snow, and then when Christmas is over, you let the snow melt. Why can't you let the snow stay around all year long, or even for all eternity? Well, I am gonna make sure that winter lasts forever, and as an added bonus, I am going to prevent Santa from getting through to getting all those presents on Christmas Eve night. I am going to turn Maku Hero City, as well as the rest of the planet, into an eternal frozen wasteland. And Christmas, and spring, and summer, and fall will never come back again. And with that, Lizard Master activated his ice staff and caused a very powerful blizzard to happen onto Maku Hero City.